Downtime can happen anytime and anywhere, usually when you're least expecting it. Your truck is tough, but even heavy-duty equipment needs maintenance and repair to keep you running at peak performance. And we know that for our drivers, every minute of uptime is essential. That's why Papé Kenworth's expert service technicians are standing by, ready to deliver solutions from our robust, region-wide support network and diverse parts inventory, backed by our consistent, quality customer service. Across the West, Papé Kenworth provides superior service for your fleet, whether that's at one of our repair centers or on the roadside. With the assistance and a maintenance team you can trust, we're dedicated to getting you back on the highway because for us, the success of your business is our business. With 24 locations, over 190 service bays, and roadside assistance throughout the Pacific Northwest and California, Papé keeps you moving.